You got the hiccups. Say one of those things.
My goodness. She's definitely got them.
Yeah.
She's got the hiccups.